Welcome aboard Air Koreana Flight JH007. A scene, we are cruising using Earth 35.
Inside the cabin, passenger tae-sul senses a disturbance.
The vibration of the aircraft changes subtly, alerting the keen senses of those on board.
Captain and first officer monitoring systems, all parameters appear normal.
Airspeed 500 knots, heading steady, unaware of the catastrophic failure moments away.
Captain and first officer monitoring systems, all parameters appear normal.
Airspeed 500 knots, heading steady, unaware of the catastrophic failure moments away.
Catastrophic engine failure on the port side.
Debris from the explosion impacts the fuselage. The aircraft immediately loses stability.
Impact! The windshield is compromised.
Structural integrity failing. Cabin pressure warning active.
The aircraft enters an uncontrolled descent.
Losing altitude rapidly, 20,000 feet and falling. The pilots are fighting for control.
Depressurization! The cockpit is a chaotic wind tunnel!
They must stabilize the aircraft before it disintegrates.
An improvised repair. Duct tape is applied to the breach.
tae-sul attempts to seal the cockpit to restore aerodynamics and communication.
Landing gear deploying. They are attempting an emergency landing in the city.
Altitude is critically low, less than 2,000 feet.
Landing gear deploying. They are attempting an emergency landing in the city.
Altitude is critically low, less than 2,000 feet.
Eyewitnesses in the Quantum Tower watch in disbelief.
A jumbo jet navigating between skyscrapers. This is unprecedented.
Pull up. Terrain.
Obstacle ahead.
Evasive maneuvers.
Threading the needle. The margin for error is 0.
Lining up for an emergency strip.
Speed is 160 knots. Flaps set for landing.
Touchdown! The Eagle has landed!
Against all odds, Flight JH007 is on the ground.
Emergency crews are on the scene.
A miraculous recovery by the crew and the mysterious passenger. Emergency crews are on the scene.
A miraculous recovery by the crew and the mysterious passenger.
Breaking news, Flight JH007 lands safely, but at a heavy cost.
Inflatable slides deploy within 6 seconds to ensure rapid egress.
Keep moving, get off the chute! Clear the area now! We need more foam on the left side. tae-sul emerges, the man of the hour.
He surveys his handiwork. That duct tape held against 500-mile-per-hour winds.
tae-sul emerges, the man of the hour.
He surveys his handiwork. That duct tape held against 500-mile-per-hour winds.
A testament to engineer and sticky tape.
This makeshift seal saved the flight deck from total depressurization.
A testament to engineering and sticky tape.
This makeshift seal saved the flight deck from total depressurization.
The blaze is under control.
Cooling the turbine is critical to prevent reignition of the fuel lines.
The blaze is under control.
Cooling the turbine is critical to prevent reignition of the fuel lines.
A heavy price paid by the captain.
He stayed at the controls until the very end to ensure the safety of his passengers.
A heavy price paid by the captain.
He stayed at the controls until the very end to ensure the safety of his passengers.
The scale of the incident is massive.
Seoul traffic is gridlocked as emergency services converge on the miracle landing site.
But for tae-sul, the mystery is just beginning.
He is checking the flight data logs. He knows this was no ordinary accident.
Let's take a closer look at the impact moment.
High-speed cameras reveal a foreign object striking the cockpit at terminal velocity.
Pull down the mask!
Inside the cabin, the situation was terrifying.
Oxygen masks deployed automatically as cabin pressure dropped.
tae-sul departs the scene as quietly as he arrived.
Leaving the questions for the authorities and the answers for himself.
As night falls, the investigation team moves in.
The flight data recorder will be key to understanding the cause of the explosion.
Personal items scattered on the runway.
A stark reminder of how close 261 families came to losing their loved ones.
In the control tower, the tension finally breaks.
They watched the blip drop from the sky and prayed for a miracle.
The story is making headlines around the globe.
From CNN to BBC, everyone is talking about the heroic landing and the mystery passenger.
Flight JH007 will never fly again.
But the legend of this landing will remain in aviation history forever.
This has been a reconstruction of the opening scene from Sisyphus, the myth.
A show where...
Thanks for watching Plane World. See you in the next flight.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications.
The flight data recorder is located.
This orange box holds the key to the final moments of the cockpit conversation and the plane's telemetry.
Data extraction begins immediately.
Investigators are looking for anomalies in the engine performance prior to the explosion.
The simulation suggests foreign object contact. Debris was ingested into the intake.
The makeshift seal is analyzed.
Forensics are baffled by the tensile strength of the tape used by the passenger.
tae-sul conducts his own investigation.
He suspects the collision wasn't with a bird, but something far more impossible.
Enhancing the impact footage.
Is that a suitcase? At 30,000 feet, the laws of physics defy this possibility.
Quantum and Time headquarters is under siege by the press.
The CEO's involvement in the incident has sparked a media frenzy.
The board is in turmoil.
They worry about the stock price plummeting due to the CEO's erratic behavior.
The hull is transported for further analysis.
Every rivet and bolt will be inspected to ensure this never happens again.
The first officer is in stable condition.
But the psychological trauma of the event will take much longer to heal.
Social media is ablaze with footage.
Thousands of angles from the ground provide investigators with unique data points.
But not everyone is celebrating the survival.
Shadowy figures are watching tae-sul closely. The incident has exposed something hidden.
The headlines tell a story of heroism.
But beneath the ink lies a question that no one can answer yet.
tae-sul uncovers a piece of the puzzle.
Evidence that suggests the world is more complex than simple aerodynamics.
Aerodynamic testing confirms the instability.
Without the makeshift windshield repair, the drag would have torn the cockpit apart.
It just appeared.
The first officer's testimony is confusing.
He claims an object materialized out of thin air directly in their path.
Hydraulic failure was imminent.
The crew had only backup manual controls to steer the Leviathan.
Decoding the impossible.
tae-sul is looking for a signature in the atmospheric data that shouldn't exist. The city sleeps, unaware of how close it came to catastrophe.
A path of destruction was avoided by a matter of inches.
Why did the debris exhibit properties inconsistent with standard gravity?
Experts are divided.
Some call it a bird strike, others a drone. No one suspects the truth.
A personal motivation drives him.
For tae-sul, this isn't just about the plane. It's about a lost brother.
Life continues for Air Koreana.
Flight schedules resume, but the mystery of JH007 remains unsolved.
A convergence of skill, luck, and science.
The miracle of Seoul will be studied for decades.
Thank you for watching this deep dive analysis.
Join us next time on Plane World as we uncover more aviation mysteries.
The landing gear bore the brunt of the impact.
Touching down at excessive speed shredded the main gear tires instantly.
Hydraulic failure was critical.
Without hydraulic pressure, the braking system was compromised, relying solely on mechanical friction.
Scenario Alpha, windshield failure.
If that tape hadn't helped, the pilots would have been incapacitated by the 500-mile-per-hour wind blast.
Scenario Beta, the skyscraper collision.
A delay of just 2 seconds in the bank angle would have resulted in a tragedy of historic proportions.
tae-sul reviews the physics.
The trajectory of the object defies standard ballistic models. It came from above, not below.
The first officer is released!
He holds the only eyewitness account of the anomaly, making him a person of interest.
Military radar logs confirm the impossible.
The object didn't launch from the ground. It simply appeared at 35,000 feet.
Could it be a wormhole?
Theoretical physicists are baffled, but the energy signature matches quantum displacement.
Building a tracker.
If these objects are emitting a signal, Han tae-sul intends to find the source.
Survivors share their stories.
I saw a flash.
Many report seeing a blinding blue flash just before the impact.
Yeah.
And
The ghost ship.
Once filled with panic, the cabin now sits silent, a museum of the event.
Forensic reconstruction.
Laser mapping reveals the impact force was equivalent to a tactical missile strike.
The math doesn't lie.
He has found the variable that connects the plane crash to his brother's disappearance.
The Control Bureau is watching.
They cannot let Han tae-sul discover the truth about the future.
A global phenomenon.
The flight number JH007 has become synonymous with the impossible.
Air travel remains the safest form of transport.
Thanks to the lessons learned from JH007, protocols have been improved worldwide.
The CEO speaks!
Han tae-sul is about to drop a bombshell revelation to the world.
They are among us.
A warning to humanity.
The plane crash was just the beginning of the Sisyphus paradox.
Destinies intertwined.
One flight brought them together, but time will tear them apart.
This concludes our detailed breakdown of the event.
We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the miracle of Seoul.
Click here to watch our analysis of Flight 828.
Thanks for watching. Safe travels.
A stellar performance bringing this intense story to life.
The characters grounded the fantastical elements in human emotion. The visual effects team worked tirelessly to create the hyper-realistic plane physics.
Seamlessly blending CGI with practical effects. Directed with a vision for tension and scale.
Capturing the claustrophobia of the cockpit and the vastness of the sky.
Follow Plane World on social media for daily aviation updates.
Links are in the description below.